cash inflows. I repeat that market value is present value of future cash inflows. Now, always memorize or always remember that market value always calculated with respect to investor, and cost of debt, cost of equity, or cost of preference shares. The cost always calculated with respect to company. As these costs are calculated with respect to companies, so when the companies pay interest, that is cost for company, and the companies pay interest, that is cost for a company, and upon these interest the companies get tax benefits. That's why we always after tax the interest as 1 minus t. Galaxy, you people, Techno and Galaxy, you both have to wait. Students are having some problem.
सीरीज में बीबीएस था।
Okay. Now we say that one company is ABC, and Shaila, are you there?
Yeah.
And one person is Shaila. The Shaila is the investor, and ABC is company. This is company, and this is investor. Shaila is giving loan. Shaila is what is giving loan to the company. In return, the company paying interest to the Shaila. What I said, market value is for the investor point of view. So when we will talk about the market value will be calculated with perspective of Shaila, and cost of that, cost of equity or cost of preference shares, these will be calculated with respect to companies. Now what happened? I said market value is the present value of future cash inflows, and it is being calculated for the investor. So what is investor having in return? It is interest. So if we take present value of interest, that will be market value, because for investor, what are the cash inflows? Cash inflows for the investor are the interest what he will receive. So market value formula will be interest divided by R. Now what is R? R is required rate of return of debt holder. Mean, what is Shaila expecting from ABC company to pay? as cost, that is R. Now we have three things. One is what is investor expecting, the cost, that is R. What the company pay will the cost, that is cost of debt, and what the cash inflows the Shaila will receive, that is market value. Done. Now in cost of capital, in cost of capital, there are three type of things which we will go through. One is loan, other is equity shares, and the last is preference shares. Today we will discuss about the loan. There are many types of loan, like irredeemable debt, redeemable debt, convertible debt, non-tradable debt, and corporate bonds. Done. Today we will just discuss about all the loans. So we will start one by one. Number one, number two, number three, number four, and number five. Now, what is irredeemable debt? Irredeemable debt is debt which the company does not have to pay back. Done. So for irredeemable debt, what will be the market value? I already said the market value will be present value of future cash inflows. So the person who gave you some loan as market value, for which perspective we will calculate? Investor. So what will be the inflows for the investor? Interest payments which company will pay. So interest divided by R. By this, what we will done? We take present value of the future cash inflows. That is market value. Now, if we want to find the KD of irredeemable debt, what will be the KD? It will be interest to 1 minus T, because KD is being calculated for company's perspective, for company purpose. So for companies, the tax authorities allows that on interest payments, companies can claim the tax savings. Done. Now, if we want to calculate the R, what will the formula of the R? Interest over market value. Any of you confused still, or should I move on? Now, what is redeemable debt? What is redeemable debt? Debt has to pay back after some years. For example, we have 5 years. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have been given the coupon rate of 5% and redemption value normally is considered as 100. We have to calculate the market value of this bond. So what will happen? What will be the cash inflows for the investors? It will be the coupon 5, 5, 5, 5. But what will the last year? Last year, the bond have to be redeemed. So it will be 100 plus the 5 coupon total. Now, what will be the discount factor? It is YTM. Yield till maturity. What is it? Yield till maturity, or its other name is gross redemption yield. YTM is what the investor is expecting till maturity. What the yield investor is expecting till maturity. So what is the yield is expecting? For example, in the question, it is given of 10%. So at 10%, we will calculate the discount factor. Please just, I have a call, wait for a second. Yes, sorry, there was a call. So, what I am saying that what is YTM? YTM is what the investor is expecting till the maturity of the bond, and that has been given at 10%. So, any of you have the P4 kit? Hello? Any of you has the P4 kit?
Yes.
Do you have, Shaila?
The one I have is expired. Is that fine?
No problem. Just you need to open the page of discount factors, which is being over there upon the last. And tell me
Okay.
the discount factors of 10% for every year.
Um, let me see.
Hey Nazni, can you hear?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Do you have a kit?
I'm looking for it. I don't have it at the moment. Not
Okay.
close by.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so for example, we say it is 0.909, it is 0.857, it
9091.
is, what is for year 3?
0.7513.
0.751, and year 4?
What 0.6830.
0.683, and for the last?
0.6209.
So what we will do, we will multiply these cash flows with the discount factors and add up, and what will be the answer? That will be market value. Okay, now what we learned that for calculation of market value, for calculating market value, number one, you must have coupon rate. Number two, redemption value. Number three, the YTM. But what is being done in the exam? The examiner does not give you the YTM. So if there is no YTM, how we will calculate the market value? Instead of not giving the YTM, the market value is being already calculated in the exam. Like we say that market value is 108, coupon rate is 5%, and redemption value is 100. So examiner is requiring from us the YTM first, and then he is saying the KD. Again, I am repeating, the YTM will be calculated for investor and KD will be calculated for company. What will happen now? And bond life is, for example, 3 years lifespan. Done? Now, what will happen? We will year 0, 1, 2, 3 cash flows. Always you will write the market value in year 0 as negative 108. And what about the cash flows? Coupon is 5, 5, and in Akhri, in the last year, it will be 105. You will choose a rate by yourself. Mean we are going to apply the IRR method. What we are going to apply? The IRR method. We will select a rate, for example, that's 5%. What are the discount factors? You will choose from the discount table. And for example, if we say the answer is positive, the answer is positive. Again, you will extrapolate, and again, same calculation. Year 0, 1, 2, 3, but now cash flows will be again same 108, 5, 5, 105. But the discount factor, now we will choose the 10%, because if at 5% the NPV is positive, we will extrapolate at 10%. What are the discount factors? You will see from the discount table, and the NPV will be negative. Now, what will done? We will apply the IRR formula. What is it? Do you remember? Low rate plus NPV at low rate divided by NPV at lower plus NPV at higher into high rate minus low rate. That is the formula of the IRR. You will simply, by this calculation, put the values in it, and the answer will be ITM. Done? Now, what about the KD? What about the KD? If we have to calculate KD, just we will after tax these cash flows. Mean 5 into 1 minus T, 5 into 1 minus T, and here also just for 5 into 1 minus T. And all the calculation will be same, into 1 minus T into 1 minus T into 1 minus T, because we are going to calculate the KD. For KD, the interest have to after tax. So you after tax it, again you will put the values, and by after tax, the answer will be KD. Are you people getting the points?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So this was total for the first class. For tomorrow, you people can again have a demo class with me. And then you people can decide that you will go with me for September sessions. It's up to you. I will try my level best. Okay. I have show you the notes which we will follow. I again, wait. See this. The topic which we covered, I am going to show you people. See. This is the topic. Irredeemable debt, redeemable debt, non-tradable debt, convertible debt, corporate bonds. This is the market value formulas which I already discussed. And this is simple IRR method, cash flows. If you have been given the value, market value 96.25, we place the value here. And then as he is calculating the after-tax cost for the company, mean he is calculating the KD, the coupon was 7%. So after tax rate, and it will be 4.90. But what happened? Instead of calculating for every year, he has just applied the annuity factor formula. That's also can be applied. Nothing to worry. There is one positive NPV, one negative NPV. Put it into the IRR formula and the net result is KD. If here we don't after tax, the net result will be YTM. Okay. See you people in the next class. Nazni,
Thank
are
you.
you there?
Yes, I am. I said thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, next class.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, Shaila.
Bye.
Bye.